Working on old cars, some that don't drive far,
When to have them.
some that leak and have lost all their oil. Fixing them all bright, making the bolts tight, making the spark come out of the coil. Wasting time again out in my shed, looking for my lost NMM tool. Some people claim that my mess is to blame, but I know nobody's fool. I'd like to say that same. What should I do with all these old cars? I think I should sell one, but that would be quite dumb. It's better than spending my time in dive bars, wasting time again at the shed, searching for my lost NMM2. Not that cool. I smell like grease now. It's better than poop cows. I think I'll wash and cruise on back home, where I'll find lovely Lori and all of her glory, who make all my pain no longer be known. Wasting time again out in my shed, searching for my lost NMM tool. Some people claim that my memory's to blame, but I know I learned that in school. Yes, I'm